To visit the portal, go to businesshostedvoice.com/login. Then log in with your email address and password. On the home screen, you'll see an overview of your active services. The My Services tab provides an easy access list of the most common features. On the My Calls tab, you'll find your call history and multiple ways to search and sort calls. The My Profiles tab shows the profile assigned to you. On the My Contacts tab, you can select and view your personal contact and corporate contact list. If you need help with any feature throughout the portal, just click the Help button at any time to access help for the page you're on. Or you can download the Quick Reference and User Guide with more detailed instructions both for end users and your organization's administrator.